What's good, Glowing Gang? So today's video, I'm gonna be cooking fried Oreos, and you guys can follow along if you want. I'm already gonna warn you right now. My brother's in the living room, so it's kind of gonna be a little loud. So I'm gonna have to talk a little bit louder for you guys to hear me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and comment and subscribe, and continue watching. Before you watch this video, I finally got a subscriber of the month, and you guys go follow her. And I will leave her Instagram and stuff at the end of the video and right after this message. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and join the Glowing Gang, baby. Mwah. You guys go follow her, follow her. Add her on Snapchat. Follow her Instagram. She's close to 9,000 to 1,000, my bad. So you guys should go follow her.
Can I get a little bit closer to you? I stay doing the most for you. I just wanna take it there. Ooh, I just wanna be there for you. So can I get a little bit closer to you? I stay doing the most for you. I just wanna take it there. Ooh, I just wanna be there for you.
We'll need vegetable oil, because this is what you're gonna use to cook it in. This, the buttermilk pancake waffle mix, 1 egg, milk, and of course the Oreos, because we're making fried. What you need, appliance wise, you will need this for the grease, because the grease does start popping a lot. I know from experience. I did this before, but it did not turn out well. That's the why I did not post it. Spoon for to mix up the mix. This is, I'm just using this as my bowl, and that is my stick. First thing first, I'm gonna make my mix, because last time I had my oil on, but it did not turn out the way I wanted it to. So this time I'm just gonna move around the steps a little bit. Okay, so this is my bowl. And depending on how many Oreos you want, just like how it says on the thing, depending on how many pancakes you want, you're gonna put how many you want in here. And 3, all of my siblings have said that they want some, so I'm probably, if I can find, I'm gonna be doing 3 cups of mix. 3 cups of mix. So first, let me see. No, it's not. Okay. Is there any more? Before I open this one, even though I already did it, and now I'm kind of regretting it because I did not check to see if there was another pancake mix open. But it's okay because I didn't break it, so I can just put it back and grab the Aunt Jemima, this one, and what I will be using, the Aunt Jemima Complete, just add water. Okay. I'm just gonna, that's all the pancake mix, but I'm not gonna stop. I know there's more. I can fill it in a box. Okay. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Alright, that's good. I'm not trying to get you there. And instead of just adding water, I'm gonna add milk, because it makes it more creamier, and it's gonna help the Oreo stick to the mix more than water will, because I tried water last time and it did not work for me. So, and then I'm gonna do an egg in it also. So now I'm finna use the egg. I'm only using 1 egg. Okay, that's in there. It's in there. See it? Okay. And now I'm finna add the milk. I only added a little bit because I want to see how like the consistency would be, and I need to add more, but I wanted to test it out because I did not want to add too much milk into it, but I did not want to add too little much of the milk, if that makes sense. Now we're gonna add like just a drop more to mix it around. And also I added the egg to bring in the yellow coloring into the mix. Okay. Now I'm just mixing, trying to get it all the mix at the bottom. I'm just mixing it. You want it to be like a dough, not like a sauce, so you don't want to add too much of whatever you're using, because trust me, it will make it all soapy and you're not going to want to use it. Now, I don't really care about the bumps with this one because you're just going to dip it and you're just going to fry it. So bumps really don't matter to me, as long as I just get all the mix in there, all of it, and you're good. Okay. So now that we're done with the mix, we're gonna put away the milk and the egg, and then I'm gonna put vegetable oil in there, and we're gonna get started on dipping the Oreo. Okay, now that we have your mix, it's all mixed up. This is the pancake mix, all mixed up. You're just gonna put it to the side, and you're going to grab your vegetable oil. So first, before I even grab my vegetable oil, I put it at the temperature I want it to be at, and I'm gonna start off medium so that it's hot, and then I'm gonna move it down lower. And yeah, just start medium, and then we're gonna add our vegetable oil. Okay, so this is it, our vegetable oil, and my skillet is right here. It's not even hot yet, so that's why I did that. And I have this big old skillet, so I'm not just cooking one at once. So yes. That's the oil in there. This is the messier part. Alright, so I got double stuff. Double stuff works best when you're cooking fried Oreos, because I used regular Oreos once and it was a mess because there wasn't enough Oreo in there and all that. So now I'm gonna dip them. Okay, first I dip like that. See that? And then I flip it around, and I do not be scared to get your hands dirty, because this is basically the whole point of this. Okay? And until it's covered in the stuff, you're just gonna, don't plop it in there, but just quick oopsie on my part. I should have let the Oreo heat up more, but it's still cooking it, but it's not cooking as fast as I wanted to. So I know for next time I let the oil heat up more, but it's still doing its thing. Does not look too pleasing, but it's, you see the oil is bubbling around it, so it's starting anyway. So Oreo 2. Hold on. I don't know if it's cooked, but I like my Oreos, my fried Oreos to be brown, so I'm not taking it out until it's brown. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing we did last time. We're gonna dip it. We're gonna dip it in the stuff, in the pancake mix. You see it? Yes, sir. Dip it. Yes, sir. Dip again, because we don't want. You don't want to see the Oreo, and as you can hear it. You can hear the Oreo in the back. Whoa. Ah! It fell. Camera fell. Okay. Probably gonna edit that out. Now we're just gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep dipping them. Yes, sir. Just dip, dip, dip. Just flip, flip, dip. See that? That's a lot of Oreo, but it's like you're painting it with pancake mix. Okay. Next one. We're just gonna keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. See that? See that? Now we're just gonna put that one in there too. And I'm gonna give you guys a look at them in a second. I just want to put my first batch in there. Okay. Should hire me at the carnivals. Okay. Next up, backpack. I'm sorry, that was so random. Okay. They're gonna hire me at the carnivals, y'all. It's like, no, I'm probably burned up everything. Oh, it smells so good in here. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. So, I will be back. That one was very fresh. You're just gonna flip if you can. That's why we have the little thing so that we don't burn ourselves. That one's almost done, by the way. And this is the fun part. Because kind of look like pancakes. Good old pancakes. No, flip it. It's not flipping. I'm not trying to burn myself. There we go. Okay, those are those so far. As you can see, that's what it looked like. I'm finna, oh my god. I'm going to take the ones that are already darkened out so that I don't burn them. And we're gonna let the light brown ones just sit in there. And I'm gonna
You better stop!
the ones that are done. These are the ones that are still in there. And now we're finna mix it.
You better stop!
Mama, come try one. Had to wash off my hands. Now this is right now. I'm finna cook some more. Okay, so all I did was went off camera. The rest of them I've done on camera, and I'm just dipping it like we did before. These was my last batches because I'm honestly getting tired, and I'm getting tired. Last batch of stuff. I'm tired. Okay, now I'm just doing the rest and I will be done. Trying not to burn myself, but I'm using my less dominant hand. Yes, sir. I'm so tired. It's not even funny. And I have so much more left. Not even funny. Take this off of the bottom. Her water's ready, T. Okay. Technical difficulties. So I was doing good, and then I got smoke in my eyes, and I started crying. So, or taking a break, but yeah, yeah. I don't know if this was better than last time though. I know that. Ending the video. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Almost burned down the kitchen.